Now that's the kind of love I'm speaking of. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. So I'll be reacting to Priceless by Lisa and Maroon 5. Like, bro, I wasn't expecting Maroon 5 to do a feature with Lisa. You know, Lisa is one of my favorite singers of all times, but this collaboration was unexpected and it came out to be tremendous. Alright, so I'll be checking out that reaction now. I'll be checking out that song, this feature with these two giants in music. I'm from Jamaica though. Greetings from Jamaica. So, with this being said, forward, take a walk with me.
You're late. I'm already here. Talk to me.
Bro, I mean, like, Maroon 5 was one of my favorites while I was in high school. And the song that I really get to know Maroon 5 off, it was Payphone. I love that song. Up to this day, that song still in my playlist up to this day. So, you know, Maroon 5 is my favorite singer back then while I was in high school. One of rather. Alright, so yeah, he's a great artist. As a Jamaican, bro, he's a great artist. He dominated Jamaica back in that time, bro. I mean, like, every one of my school friends have his song on their phone, bro. Like, he was the guy back then. And still is now. So let us see what's up with what's going on with him. So I wanna do you. You're a lucky star. So, you know, Lisa is one of my favorite musician stars out there. And she's definitely a lucky star. And to see Maroon 5 coming out to disclose what I think about her, that is actually genial, bro. That's actually genial. As a Jamaican, she's one of my lucky stars as well as a musician, bro. I do have a crush on her, by the way. So yeah, definitely. Oh, rap, rap, rah, rah, rah. Yes. Definitely a perfect song, bro. Right? This female is a female who I would spend a night, a week, a month, a year, a decade, a millennia, bro. I would love to spend all the time with her, bro. And to see this, bro, it's so loving. It's so beautiful. Oh, so she's definitely worth it too, right? Definitely. She's priceless, bro. No one can literally purchase this female because she cannot be afforded. Right? She's priceless. She's worth it. Definitely, she's worth it. She's worth chasing. She's worth loving. She's worth caring. Definitely, everything that is good should be mentioning about this woman, bro. after, right? If he could handle her all his money and she doesn't want it, then she deserves to be chased at, bro. So if you have a woman now and you are giving her money and she's refusing it, bro, then you know you're in a good position. But while it's like a equal position, bro, some woman will take it while some will refuse. So it is just love, bro. It is just love and beyond. And if he can chase her, going through so much just to meet her, then she's definitely priceless. You got her love, that's a profit. For a girl like this, and you got her love, that's a profit. She's telling us, bro. She's telling us. She's buying us! Through such a thing is to hold off another guy just to meet upon Lisa's love, then definitely why not do so? She worth it, bro. She worth it. Definitely, bro. I would fight an army just to keep her love safe and secure. Definitely, bro. This love, bro. If you're gonna go through so much just to keep the love, just by going together to have a duel, right? Just to keep her, and she should keep him as well. Then eventually, it's a priceless love to be worth fighting over, bro. I ain't gonna lie on that. Kind of love and speaking of, a love worth fighting over, bro. No violence, just a romance fight, bro. Right? Just to see who can go first and win first. But definitely, I guess both of them are tied. Alright? But to see this, bro, love like this, I would love to see, bro. People should be worth fighting over for the love they work so hard for, bro. It is too short minded nowadays, bro. Okay? So to see love like this, bro, is definitely a winning possibility. Me of a movie called The Raid, where they are fighting just to protect themselves. Yeah, I think it's a reminder of that, bro. Okay, and I think it's giving me a reminder of Rush Hour as well, bro. So very good scenario of a song. I ain't gonna lie, it's beautiful. Very beautiful song, extraordinary message, by Maroon 5 and Lisa. Lisa, you've done well. Maroon 5, you've done well. This is just like a small movie. So I guess we need part 2 for this. So if you guys agree that this song need a part 2, subscribe, leave a like, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reacting to Lisa and Maroon 5. Big up your damn selves. You've done great in this song. A wonderful message, positive message. So I'll see you guys around, man.